Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn car vocabulary through a simple and fun story. In this video, you will follow a conversation between Mina and Sam. They will talk about many useful words related to cars and driving. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the place called where people put their cars? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Sam, is this your car?
Yes, it is. This is my car.
It's really cute. I like the color.
Thank you. It's small, but it's a very useful car. I use it every day.
Every day? Where do you go?
I drive to the university, to the supermarket, and sometimes to my friend's house. A car makes everything easier.
I see. I don't know much about cars. I always take the train.
Really? That's okay. Do you want to learn some car vocabulary today?
Car vocabulary? Yes, I'd love to learn.
Great. So first, a car is a type of vehicle. A vehicle is a machine that moves people or things on the road. So a car is a vehicle, and a bus is also a vehicle.
Vehicle. I see. So a truck is a vehicle too.
Exactly. A car, a bus, a truck, and a motorcycle are all vehicles. And look around. Do you see all these cars? This place is called a parking lot.
A parking lot. So a parking lot is a place where people put their cars.
That's right. We park our cars in a parking lot. This is the university parking lot. Actually, I'm planning to drive to a cafe today. Do you want to come with me?
You're going to drive today? That sounds like fun.
Yes. Drive means to use a car and go somewhere. I'll teach you many car words on the way. It will be a fun lesson.
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Okay, but first, let me show you the outside of the car.
So, what is this part at the front of the car? This big, flat part?
This big flat part at the front of the car is called the hood.
The hood. What is under the hood?
The engine is under the hood, but we will talk about the engine later. Let me show you more things on the outside first.
Okay. What about these round things at the front? They look like big eyes.
Yes, they do look like eyes. Those are called headlights. They help you see the road when it is dark.
Headlights. So I need headlights when I drive at night.
Yes, exactly. You must always turn on your headlights at night. It's the law. And this big glass in front of the driver, this is called the windshield.
Windshield. The word has wind and shield in it, so it protects the driver from wind.
Yes, that's a great way to remember it. The windshield protects you from wind and rain while driving. You're learning fast.
Thank you. Oh, and what about these black round things at the bottom? I know these are important.
Those are called tires. Tires are very important. The car cannot move without tires. They touch the road and help the car go forward. This car has 4 tires.
Tires. 4 tires. Got it. Is there anything else on the outside?
Yes, one more thing. Do you see this small mirror on the side of the car? This is called a side mirror.
A side mirror. What is it for?
The side mirror helps the driver see other cars behind and beside the car. There is one on each side, so the driver can see left and right without turning around.
That's really helpful. Cars have so many important parts.
Now, let me open the car. This is the door. You open the door to get into the car.
The door, that one I know, but how do you open it?
You use this part right here. This is called the door handle. You pull the handle to open the door.
The door handle. Okay, let me try. I pull it like this.
Yes, just like that. Perfect. You can open any car door with the handle. This car has 4 doors, 2 in the front and 2 in the back.
4 doors. Nice. Oh, Sam, what about the back of the car? What is that part?
Good question. Let me show you. This space at the back is called the trunk. The trunk is where you store things in the car.
The trunk. So you put things inside the trunk.
Yes, I put my bags, my books, and other things in the trunk. It's like a big box at the back of the car. Let me open it for you.
Oh, it's really big inside. You can put a lot of things in here.
Yes, it's very useful. When I go shopping, I always put the bags in the trunk.
That makes sense. It's much easier than carrying everything by hand.
Oh, and I almost forgot. I need to use my key to lock and unlock the car. This is my car key.
A key. So you use the key to open and close the car. Can I see it?
Sure. Look, I push this button on the key and the car locks. I push it again and the car unlocks.
That's so cool. Technology is amazing.
Yes, it is. Now let's get inside the car.
Wow, the inside of the car is nice and clean.
Thank you. I try to keep it clean. So, do you see this big round thing in front of me? This is called the steering wheel.
The steering wheel. You use it to turn the car, right?
Yes, I hold the steering wheel with both hands and turn it to go left or right. It controls the direction of the car.
Both hands? That sounds important.
Yes, it is safer to use both hands on the steering wheel. And this flat area in front of the steering wheel with all the numbers and lights, what do you think this is called?
I have no idea. What is it called?
That is called the dashboard. The dashboard shows you important information, like how fast you are going and how much gas you have.
Dashboard. So the dashboard shows important information while driving.
That's right. And what are you sitting on? Do you know the English word?
I know this one. It's a seat. But is there a special name for this seat?
Good job. You are sitting in the passenger seat. My seat is called the driver's seat. Together, we just call them seats.
Seats. The passenger seat and the driver's seat. Okay, that's easy to remember.
Now, before we go, there is one very important thing. Do you see this long belt next to your seat?
This? What is it?
This is your seat belt. You must always wear your seat belt when you are in a car. It keeps you safe if something happens.
Seat belt. Okay, let me put it on. Like this?
Yes, perfect. You pull the seatbelt across your body and click it in. Safety is very important when you are in a car. Always wear your seatbelt.
I agree. Safety first.
Okay, now let's start the car. Do you remember I told you about the engine earlier?
Yes, you said the engine is under the hood.
That's right. The engine is the part that makes the car move. It's like the heart of the car. Without the engine, The car cannot go anywhere.
The engine is the heart of the car. I like that. It's easy to remember.
Now, I'm going to start the car. Start means to turn on the engine and make it ready to go. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, I can hear the engine. It's a little loud.
Don't worry, that's normal. The engine always makes some sound when you start the car. After a few seconds, it becomes quieter. Can you hear? It's quieter now.
Oh, you're right. It is quieter now.
Now, let me show you two more important things. Do you see my feet? I have my foot on something.
Yes. What is that?
This is called the brake. The brake is used to stop the car or slow down the car. When I push the brake with my foot, the car stops moving.
The brake. So the brake stops the car. That's very important.
Yes, very important. And next to the brake, there is another pedal. This is called the gas pedal. When I push the gas pedal, the car moves forward. The harder I push, the faster the car goes.
The gas pedal makes the car go, and the brake makes the car stop. So you use your right foot for both.
Yes, exactly. You use one foot for both pedals. You move your foot between the brake and the gas pedal.
That's interesting. I didn't know that.
Now you know. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are on the road now. I'm going to drive slowly so you can see everything.
Thank you, Sam. So this is called the road?
Yes, the road is the place where cars drive. We are driving on the road right now. Cars, buses, and trucks all use the road.
Road. Okay, that's easy. Oh, look. What is that tall thing with the red, yellow, and green lights?
That is a traffic light. A traffic light tells drivers when to go and when to stop. Red means stop, green means go, and yellow means slow down and be careful.
Traffic light. Red is stop, green is go, and yellow is be careful. I think it's the same in many countries.
Yes, you're right. Traffic lights are similar in many countries. That's nice, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now I'm going to make a turn here. Turn means to change direction. I'm going to turn right at this corner.
A turn. So you are turning right now. How does the car behind us know that you are turning?
Great question. I use a turn signal. It shows a blinking light on the side of the car. That tells other drivers which way I'm going to turn.
Oh, I see. That's smart.
And look, there is a stop sign over there. When you see a stop sign, you must stop the car completely. Let me stop here.
A stop sign. You stop and then go again.
Yes, exactly. You stop, look around for safety, and then go when it is safe. It's a very important rule for driving.
Sam, is driving difficult? It looks like there are so many things to remember.
At first, it can feel a little difficult, but when you practice many times, it becomes much easier. Driving is like learning a new language. At first, everything feels hard, but with practice and time, it becomes natural.
That's a good way to think about it. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Oh, and look, we are almost at the cafe. I can see it from here.
Oh, I can see it too.
Okay, we are here. Let me park the car. Park means to stop the car and leave it in one place.
Park the car. You are parking here?
next to the cafe?
Yes, I'll park right here. This is a good spot. And now we have arrived. Arrive means to get to a place. We arrived at the cafe.
We arrived at the cafe. That was a really nice trip.
A trip. You know that word?
Yes, a trip is when you travel from one place to another place, right?
Perfect. Our trip from the university to the cafe was short but fun. You learned so many words.
I really did. Let me try to remember all the words I learned today. First, car, vehicle, parking lot, and drive.
Keep going. You're doing great.
Then, hood, headlights, windshield, tires, and side mirrors.
Very good. What about the door parts?
Door, door handle, trunk, and key.
And inside the car?
Steering wheel, seats, seat belt, and dashboard.
What about when we started the car?
Engine, start, brake, and gas pedal.
Almost there. And on the road?
Road, traffic light, turn, and stop sign, and then park, arrive, and trip. I think I remembered everything.
That's amazing, Mina. You remembered all of them. You know, these car words are very useful in daily life. People use them every day in English conversation.
Really? That's good to know. I'm so glad I learned them today. This was the best English lesson ever. Thank you so much, Sam.
You're welcome, Mina. Next time, maybe I'll teach you more words about driving, like highway and speed limit. But for now, let's go inside and get some coffee.
Yes, let's go. I need some coffee after all that learning.
Me too. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn some useful car vocabulary. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the place called where people put their cars? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you got it right, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English so that beginners can enjoy learning naturally. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.